If you want to know what peak adulting feels like, ingredient meal prep. I feel like it's so much better than meal prepping because meal prepping is so limiting. You know, it's like you'll make like an amazing salad or amazing pasta or whatever, and then it's like it lasts you 2 days, and then now you have to think of something else. I took a protein today. Today was more like vegetables, carbs, but protein is not too difficult, and I feel like you can also cook protein in like semi-large batches as well. So today I cooked some sweet potatoes, or baked sweet potatoes, in a little extra virgin olive oil, Ceylon cinnamon, salt. Yeah, that's it. And it's so good. That's my favorite combo. I stewed some apples that were getting kind of wrinkly, but still good to eat. So, you know, stewing is like a great way to eat them without letting them go to waste. So I just stewed these in a little water, Ceylon cinnamon. Some might say way too much cinnamon, but it is what it is. I freaking love cinnamon so much. Just a pinch of salt and like nutmeg, I think. And then some collard greens, some red onions, and just like a little water, no oil in this one, and like salt, pepper, seasoning. And then there's, you know, double the same thing below of the collard greens. And then butternut squash. I just baked this in oil and seasoning as well. Normally I would bake more sweet potatoes than this. This is just the 3 that we had left. So I was just finishing that. So yeah, all we need to do is add a protein to this. And I feel like me and my husband have protein down pat. Like we'll kind of just like take turns making different things. He'll do chicken or beef. I'll do like seafood or just like some easy ground beef or lamb or something sometimes. So yeah, I just try to keep it very simple. Simplicity is just the key to not having so much overwhelm and stress with prepping and all that stuff. So as long as there is protein, fat, carbs, fiber, that really is like all you need. And then of course, like switching it up with different flavors, seasonal things that just like bring you joy, color, you know, and then sauces, obviously. You don't have to make it from scratch. You can find something that's like pretty healthy in stores. Let me know if you guys want like brands that I like, that have like, you know, pretty healthy sauces for the most part. Also, I have found one key to successful ingredient prepping is to not cook too much, like too big of batches, because then you're gonna be like, what am I gonna do with all this? Like, you know, 5 Tupperwares of rice, like, unless you have a really big family. And yeah, that's really it. Just keep it simple and healthy and whole foods and check all the boxes and we're good. My favorite sound.